You search for a new home. You find the perfect one. Something to fix and call your own. But it has outdated technology. What do you do with an old intercom system? Now there's new technology with the Intrasonic Retro Music and Intercom system featuring Bluetooth and MP3 music options. Now you can stream Pandora, iTunes, and more from your cell phone, laptop, or tablet using Bluetooth technology or by plugging in your device to the master. Monitor your child's safety and activity easily. Request commands from Alexa through any room station. And there's no more surprises at the front door. Before you open the door, you can speak to your visitor through your front door station, or actually see who it is through the new MyDoor smartphone camera connected to your intercom system. For a casual patio party or just relaxing, you can play music on your patio station with quality sound. And in case of any emergency like a fire, tornado, or to simply announce dinner, you can broadcast the message to your entire home. The Retro system uses your existing 3 wires to connect the master to all of the stations. We've created trim plates that can make installation much easier, and it has a 110 power supply without using transformers.